Welcome, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can tag people in a Slack message. So a lot of inbound workflows look like this. From a form submission, if there is an inbound form submission, for example, we want to send a Slack message. So first of all, you obviously have to connect your Slack, and once you do, you can select send Slack notification, and we want to send it in just a general channel, for example. And a lot of times what happens is, hey, contact owner, we have a new lead, for example. But if you make your message this way, it shows the actual name of the AE, for example, in the Slack message, but it doesn't tag them. So if you want to tag them, what you can do is, instead of using this contact owner name property, you need to add and then go to Slack, go to the user you're trying to tag, click on the dots, copy member ID. It's add member ID, and if you place it in between these, then you'll tag this AE. But obviously, for a lot of inbound processes, you want to split in between different AEs, between different contact owners. So what you can do is, in this case, and it's maybe a pain to set it up at first, but then it goes completely automatic. So before this, you add a branch based on contact owner. So you say contact owner 1 or contact owner 2. And then you add contact owner as a property is any of contact owner 1. And then with contact owner 1, you send this message. And then when it's actually contact owner 2, you look up their Slack ID and you paste their Slack ID here. So then the workflow decides, okay, who should I tag? And then it sends the message that you pre-made. So if you have a lot of AEs, it could take a while, but then it goes completely automatic and you can tag people with your Slack messages. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, send me a comment. Thank you.